up, everyone? Nick at Marine Max in Crosslake here, showing you a Barletta Lusso. This is the QC edition. We've got that quad corners, lounging in all sides of this boat. As you can see in the front here, we've got the LED cup holders with the USB and USB-C ports, along with that audio speaker system throughout the entire boat. As you come towards the midship here, you'll see the nicely finished helm with that vinyl. We have the analog gauges here for all of those that like the old school analog, but we also have a 7-inch Simrad as well too. You can control your motor, navigation, maps, all of that good stuff from that 7-inch Simrad. And again, you have that Audison audio control there as well too. With the Lusso package, you also get the active trim control, which is very nice. It's going to adjust the trim of that motor based off of your RPMs and speed of your boat. Also, we have that nice co-captain's chair with the nice Lusso stitching and that crosshatch stitching with the white accent. Again, you'll see that very nice quad lounging system with these folding arms as well too. Makes for a very comfortable ride. And again, USB-C and USB ports for all of your charging needs with those speakers. Of course, those LED cup holders as well, which are very nice. Gives you a cool vibe as well. So you can check this boat out on our website at marinemax.com, ccboatworks.com, or you can stop in and take a look at this boat yourself.